YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? Hey, as y'all see, it is currently, well, y'all can't really see because it's dark as shit, but it's currently like 6 in the morning, so you feel me? We're gonna do a early cut up, 6 a.m. cut up traffic, you hear me? It is a lot of traffic, and I'm actually on my way to work, which is the funniest part. But we do got the 360 cam up, and we got, you hear me? So y'all gonna get different POVs. I wasn't deciding if I was gonna like record or not, but I mean shit, every time I don't record I feel like I'm missing opportunities, you feel me? So yeah. Hey, you better stay over there, my boy. Damn alarm. My alarm stopped my clock. That's funny as shit. Shit, oh my god. Damn, boy. Shit. Hey, hold on. Let me roll this window up, though. This motherfucking car be going crazy. I think that is a fader up there too. That is so funny. Ain't trying to get no tickets, so we gonna go ahead and stay behind this nigga. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Ain't trying to cop no tickets. Now that the Fed is well behind us, we chillin', boy. tell y'all right now, bro. If y'all don't know how to use paddle shifters, bro, y'all better start learning how to use paddle shifters. Them motherfuckers make the car sound clean as shit. Yes, I ain't got no goddamn manual, nigga. Fuck you. Damn. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this one might be short just because obviously, like, it's just a POV of me going to work. Going to the work, boy, I gotta make that money on you. What the fuck am I talking about? Yo, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, nigga. I'm just chatting. I gotta start being more consistent. I gotta start posting more. I gotta start buying more car parts so y'all niggas can, you feel me, be on a journey with me in this, you know, doing shit to this car. But hey, also too, if y'all niggas know anybody in like the DMV area, nigga, I don't really care where in the DMV, but just the DMV area in general, I'm looking for a Hellcat bumper. Not necessarily wide body. I don't really want to wide body my shit. Even though wide body challenges are like hard as shit, but like, nah. I'm trying to be a little different. So I just need the regular Hellcat slim body Hellcat bumper. So if y'all can find that for me, let me know down in the comments or some shit like that. Or just hit me up on my Instagram. Cause boy, I need that shit ASAP. This little Scat Pack front bumper ain't it. Why the hell my plates be rattling? I know I'd be scaring people the way I be driving. Why are you moving over? Nigga, I had plans. Shit. I love doing that little pet bullshit. But hey, y'all, hey, and this weekend, bro, this weekend about to be T this shit too. I ain't gonna cap. Cause we got this joint called the Mega Me. That motherfucker about to be OC. No cap. More recording, no cap. But yeah, I'm actually about to go get food, so I'm about to pick up the camera once I get that food, no cap. But yeah, I see. Quick little early morning cut up. Put this scat in. Go ahead, get my little thumbnail real quick. Yeah. Alright. But yeah, hey, and then on top of that, like, bro, I got a whole lot of defects on this car, bro. I don't really want to show y'all niggas, but the biggest one that I literally just did maybe like 2 days ago, bro. Look at this. Damn. I fucked up my bumper. That's why that's really why I'm looking for another bumper too. But yeah, so y'all see the motherfucking car. This motherfucking beautiful, nigga. Damn. Wait till we upgrade to that little Hellcat. I don't know. I might go, hey, I might go vet on y'all niggas. I am not gonna lie. I might go vet on y'all niggas. No cap. But hey, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notices on, man. If y'all want more morning POVs, you feel me? Let me know down in the comments below. And I'm out of here.